How to fix Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra LiDAR error. So the LiDAR error on the Robo S8 MaxV Ultra usually means the laser navigation sensor, that is the spinning turret at the top of the robot, is blocked, dirty, stuck, unable to rotate properly. So the first step is to check whether the LiDAR turret is spinning. So start a cleaning cycle and watch the circular LiDAR turret on top of the robot. What you should look out for is making sure it spins smoothly. If it doesn't spin, if it starts spinning, then stops or makes grinding noises. Roborock's official guidance for the error 1 is to verify that the laser unit is rotating. If it isn't, gently rotate it by hand and restart the robot. So the next step you can follow would be to simply clean around the turret. So dust and hair are the most common causes of LiDAR errors. So turn off the robot first, turn it off, and then inspect the gaps around the LiDAR turret. Remove visible hair and debris. Wipe the clear sensor window with a microfiber cloth. Dust buildup and hair wrapped around the turret shaft commonly prevents proper rotation. And then another thing you could simply try is to use compressed air. So if you have compressed air, blow around the base of the turret, hold the robot upright, blow short bursts of air around the LiDAR gaps, and rotate the turret between bursts. This can remove fine dust particles or your pet's hair that isn't visible. And then the next step is to simply restart the robot. So after cleaning, you can perform a simple restart by powering off the robot, waiting for 60 seconds, and then turning it back on and starting a mapping run. You could also update your firmware by opening up the Roborock app and check for firmware updates. Once you've opened it, head into settings, install any available updates for your robot, and that should be it. Now, if none of this fix your issue, please contact support immediately. All right.